socially responsible investing. So ito raw yung investment strategy na kung saan binibigyang diin yung social concerns and environmental concerns. So kung mag-i-invest ang isang company, lagi nilang tinitignan yung makakabuti sa tao at makakabuti sa environment. Kasi kung magiging environment friendly sila, less yung kanilang minimize yung kanilang cost. Kasi kung di sila environment friendly, mas lumalaki pa ang gastos nila o ang expenses nila. Tsaka syempre, pagka binigyang diin mo yung social concern, mas marami kang matutulungan. So yun ang purpose nun. Kung bakit tayo may ganon. No, socially responsible investing. So yun yung strategy para yun yung kung gusto mo mag-invest at isa kang kumpanya, yun yung mas mapapabuti yung company mo in return. So yun lang po.